Wow, I look like an absolute disaster. Great. What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you guys are new here, hello, I'm Keaton. So today's video I look like an absolute mess. Actually I'll get into that, but I'm not sure if this video is going to be like short or long because I really don't know what is in all of these packages. I know some of the things, but like this video could go either way. I just felt like I'd never really done an unboxing video on this channel, and I know a lot of you guys are always wanting like unboxing and hauls, and I thought it would be something interesting. So before we get too far into the video, yes, I'm back in Arizona. Hello, obviously I'm back into my office, and all of these things, most of them are PR, some of them are things that I've ordered, and so I just wanted to share them with you guys in a quick little video. And I also have a serious problem with not being able to wait for my package. Like, I don't know why, but I just cannot wait to open it. So I couldn't wait to put makeup on and fix myself and look presentable for this video. So that is why I look the way that I do. I don't even know what to start with, but I guess I'll start at the top. This box is obviously from Pixie Beauty. I have this little box cutter right here, and I really don't know what is in here. I don't get very much makeup PR anymore. I get a lot of skincare PR. I'm not really sure what that is. I've also moved a lot, so a lot of the brands that I used to get PR from, I don't really get anymore, but look how cute this is. This is from Pixie Beauty. It's a little clear fanny pack, and then inside of it, what do we have? We have this H2O skin drink. It looks like a moisturizer. We've also got makeup melting cleansing cloths. We have got, this looks like a liquid lipstick right here from Pixie Beauty, and then this is eyeshadow, and it is like all glittery. I wish there wasn't such a glare so you guys could see that, but that is so shimmery. So that is what we have from Pixie Beauty, this cute little fanny pack. Love that for us. Next up, let's get into these things. All right, this looks like it is from Peace Out Skincare. I've never heard of them. And I don't know. I wonder what this is gonna be. You guys know I love a good skincare. So this says, break up with your breakouts. Oh, look at this. We've got a little Peace Out patch right here. You could iron on to something. Okay, let's see what this is all about. This says, Peace Out, live life unfiltered. Oh my gosh, it has hella before and afters in here. Look at these photos. This is after 2 weeks. Basically, it says, step 1, use daily in the morning and the night. Begin with freshly cleansed, dry skin. Apply lightweight serum to face and neck. Let dry. Apply a broad SPF sunscreen or moisturizer. And then it says, pair your daily routine of acne serum with acne healing dots, targeting individual pimples. So this is not, there's not the little zit patches that you put on, but this is just the serum. So it's an acne serum. It has 2% salicylic acid and zinc. Acne all over, treat it and beat it. This is actually so cool. I think this was founded by a man, and this is a photo of him when he had acne, and then that's him now. This is so cool. I will definitely be trying this. Someone is calling me. This is the Sephora Collection Clear and Cover Concealer. So basically it has an acne treatment in the concealer. It has 2% salicylic acid in here, and basically, so when you're covering up your pimples, a lot of times it's really like you want to let your skin breathe because you're having pimples or breakouts, but then you also are like, but I want to cover it up, and like I don't want that to be like something that, oh my gosh, why can't I open this? Sometimes you want to cover them up, but then you don't want to mess it up by putting makeup on. This is literally so cool because this has acne treatment cream inside the concealer. So this is the tube, and it's literally just this cool concealer. I am very, very, very excited to try this out. I will be keeping you updated. We've got this lovely concealer here. All right, next up, I think we're getting into some things that I ordered, but I don't remember ordering them. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I ordered this from Amazon. This is Pure Blue Spirulina Powder. If you guys don't know what Spirulina Powder is, it's like really good. I honestly forget what it really does for you, but it has like a lot of, I don't know, like good stuff in it. It's one of the world's healthiest foods in more ways. It's nutrient dense, high in protein, amino acids, minerals, all this kind of stuff, anti-inflammatory. So basically what it is, it's a little powder and you just put it into your like smoothies or whatever. I've always used like a green spirulina, but I was watching these TikToks, literally all of these things I bought because of TikTok. But I was watching a TikTok and the smoothies were like this really pretty blue color, and I was like, wow, they must be using like blueberries and really cool stuff. And then they said like it's just a regular smoothie and they put blue spirulina in it. So I bought it because I really want to have blue smoothies, and I wonder if the taste is any different in this than my green one. So I will be trying this out very soon. Oh my gosh, this package I'm so excited for, and it's something I really hope is like intact and not messed up because I haven't been home to get this in like a while. So I just like hope it's all good. Look at this beautiful packaging. This is by the brand Bear, and well, it's not by the brand Bear, this is the Bear collection, but it's by the brand Hometown Collective. You can go check them out on Instagram. They make very, very beautiful candles, and I'm sure that you guys have seen like other bloggers posting these types of candles on their Instagram. You guys will know what I'm talking about. I have been wanting one of these for so long. It is basically a candle in the shape of like a woman's body. Guys, look how beautiful this is. It's literally a candle. You guys can see right there is little wick. I thought this would be the cutest like home decor. I think it's just like so beautiful. You can leave it on some books. I'm probably gonna put this on my desk. I literally think it's gorgeous. What's really cool is that she actually offers these in all different skin tones. So it's not just one little like white candle, and also she offers them in a bunch of different body types. So it's not just one like skinny or like whatever candle. So you can really go on here and pick whichever one you want. These are the ones that she has. Like it's just different skin tones that you can do of the candle, and different body types, which I really love. And I think that that's a really cool way to be super inclusive, because I know a lot of people like love these, and I think it would be really cool to be able to have them in different shades and body types and all that kind of stuff. And like literally this is so gorgeous. I have been wanting, it actually smells so bomb too. I've been wanting this for like a while, and she reached out to me and was like, I would love to send you this, and I was like, I would literally love to have it. Hello. Next up, this is another Amazon package, but it feels like really heavy, and I don't know what this is, so we're gonna find out. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this book I ordered off of Amazon. This is the Architectural Digest book. It's literally this beautiful beige shade, and I just think it's like literally gorgeous. I bought this because I was watching Laura Lee's Amazon home decor video, and she mentioned that she had this book, and oddly enough I've really been wanting this book for a long time, but I just never really like Googled it to see where I could get it. And I feel like if it's offered on Amazon, then it's just like a must. Like it's just so easy to buy, but it's actually so gorgeous. Like this is like beautifully textured. It's really heavy, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I also really wanted this because there is so much like home decor inspo and just like beautiful, like look at these places. Like I am so excited. So this will probably be in my living room. I think that's what I specifically bought it for when I ordered it, but that'll definitely be in my living room. The next package I'm opening up is from Kylie Cosmetics. I ordered the whole Kindle and Kylie collection, but I'm not gonna open up the, whatchamacallit, I'm not gonna open up the actual makeup in this because I wanna do that when I do a full review of these products, but I'm just too excited. I just wanna look it up, you know, I just wanna like touch the packaging. So that is what that looks like. I'm so confused because I ordered everything and I didn't think that this little tiny box would be able to fit all of it, but it definitely did. Like literally, I bought all the glosses, I bought the eyeshadow, lipsticks, everything. This will all be talked about and used in a full review video. And then yeah, so next up we're gonna go into another Amazon package. My room is starting to to look like a disaster, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This is something I like literally was thrilled about, and you guys are gonna be like, why, Keaton? Because 2020 is over. But I ordered this. Let me open it up. I bought this desk calendar. So it's literally just one of those huge desk calendars that you can leave out sitting. And then like, I really wanted this because I just obviously built my desk and set up my whole office in here. And so I wanted to be able to have a planner where like, I don't have to take out my planner and look at it and whatever. I just wanted to be able to like look down while I'm on my laptop and be like, what's the date of that? Oh, do I have anything this day? Look here. I don't know. I just really have always wanted a desk planner, and I saw a blogger using it the other day and I was like, you know what? That is something I've been wanting for a long time. Why have I never ordered it? And it was super cheap off of Amazon. I didn't want a colored one or anything, so I literally just got this cute little black and white one, but it's actually huge and it's gonna look so good on my little desk. I'm gonna look so professional with it. The last package I have is from Savage X Fenty. I am so excited about this. You guys know I'm a ambassador for Savage X Fenty, and I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this brand. I love what they stand for, and their pieces are incredible. On top of that, the price is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all of these, but I'm probably gonna also do them on Instagram. As we all know, I've got tons of pieces in here. This is one of my favorites that I've been wanting. It is this underwire bra. You guys can see it's just a sheer black bra. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. Don't know like why I never got one. Maybe it's because I couldn't find the right one, but Savage X Fenty got me covered over here. I'm not gonna take out all of these just because like it's not necessary to show you guys like all the underwear and stuff. That's just like weird. I did get this little beige bralette again. It looks really pretty. It just has like a little strap thing in the back. I love that. This is another gray bralette. I really like this one. It's just really nice. This color is seriously gorgeous. I'm really into these little pastel purples. So I have this is another like underwire bra as well. And this is just gorge. I think did I get matching underwear with this? Yes, I did. I have like some matching undies in here that you guys can see. Literally so cute together. I'm obsessed. Oh, I've wanted this so bad. This is gorgeous. Okay, I got that other black like mesh underwire bra in 3 colors. So this is it in just more of like a sand color. This is my skin tone more so. So this one is just really gorgeous. And then I also got it in like a chocolatey color. This is it in this gorgeous little like chocolate color. You guys know I literally live for these 2 tones right here. Beautiful. Mwah. This next bra I really thought was really cute just because I don't really do color that often, but I really have been needing a more supportive bra, just a fun spring one. I thought this was really pretty too because I love pink and red together. I don't think it's everyone's favorite thing, but it's definitely something that I like that I don't find a lot of people do like, so I wanted to get that. And then I also got the matching underwear as well. Again, I'm not taking the underwear out of everything because like you guys know what underwear looks like, but the pattern is beautiful. Oh my gosh, okay, this top I thought was so cool because you can wear it just like as a crop top. Obviously it is like a bra, but you can wear it as a little crop because it ties. It's one of those tops where you guys can't really tell unless it's on me, but it ties in the front, it laces up. I thought that was really cute. I also got some fun little just like black high-waisted hipster style underwear, and then this is my favorite piece. I literally died for the black corset I showed you guys by Savage X Fenty. I literally had it last month and they have it in white. I am so obsessed with this. Genuinely, guys, this is my favorite piece from literally the whole haul. Like, look at this. It's so gorgeous. It's so well done. And when I say it literally like sucks my body in, I'm not kidding. Like, I'm a skinny legend in that corset. It's no joke. Like, it's a lot. Oh my gosh, guys, I think that was it. I literally just took everything out of the boxes and I'm just like, this floor is covered in paper everywhere. It's actually looking crazy. I'm looking crazy, But I hope that you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I know I never really do videos like this, but I felt like it would be kind of fun for you guys to see. I haven't done like just a haul style video in a minute, so I thought that this would be really cool to do. So I hope that you guys liked it. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'm also going to try and link almost everything that I just showed you guys in the description, unless it like isn't out yet, then maybe I won't, but I will literally link everything that I can in the description of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I stay up to date with you guys so much over there, and I just would really appreciate if you guys follow me on Instagram. But thank you guys again, and I will see you guys next time.